This I have started in 1993. By 96, I have collected a data of 6,700 villages. What was the data that time of Maharashtra? Was village, name of village, taluka, district, population, bazaar day, gathering, name of shop, name of school, school principal, postmaster, postman, sarpanch, gram sevak, talati, how many television sets that particular village has, how many telephone lines that particular village has, is Doordarshan reaching there, is satellite TV reaching there, and the availability of the mass consumable segment. This is the information of 6,700 villages of Maharashtra.
So how did you come up with this list?
एवढं माहिती एक माहिती मिळवायची मी माहिती सांगितली ना तुम्हाला किती खाल्ल्या त्या पण आय एम टेलिंग यू की 6,700 villages and all this information and written by the Gaokaris and not by me and not by my people. Yeah, please.
So how did you come up with that list that this is what the businesses would be looking for?
Because as I have told you, the opinion leaders of the villages is very important to do anything because they are the face of the village. Sarpanch, principal, postmaster, shopkeeper, because if you want to take any product, they are important. Why television sets? Then you come to know the prosperity of village. If there are 200 houses and there are 100 television sets, means that village is a prosperous village. Why product availability? Because then I will come to know who are reaching there, how they are reaching there, and why you are not there. So I can tell that to Hindustan Lever or a Colgate or for that matter any big company.
So your vision was to help these MNCs
Absolutely.
to identify which are the more affordable
Absolutely.
Villages, and that's how you started here.
No, there is a big logic to it. For an example, when you say why 2,000 cutoff point, because when I say 2,000 populations village means there are 350 households. Out of that 350 households, 20 to 30% are BPL families. They are not our consumer. We are not talking about charity right now. We will talk about that. Means there are just 200 houses. Is it commercially viable to go to a village having population less than 2,000? Not, because there are only 200 households. So cutoff point is 2,000. Out of that 6 lakh odd villages, there are 87% villages are having population less than 2,000. The problem of India is this. There are only 85,000 villages in this country are having population about 2,000. There are only 47,000 villages in this country where weekly bazaar takes place. Weekly bazaar is a very, very important village because it is a feeder village and it's a fantastic platform to launch, relaunch your product. Fantastic. The turnover of bazaar village is more than a Walmart. हे आपल्या भारतातल्या लोकांना कळतं बरं का. बाजारचं बिल चांगलं म्हणलं तर नाही पण वॉलमार्ट आणलं की मग लगेच खांदे असे व्हायला लागतात. आय एम नॉट अंडरस्टँडिंग इट्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लेम इन दिस कंट्री, ह्यूज प्रॉब्लेम इन दिस कंट्री. वॉट एव्हर वेस्ट डज इज द फॅन्टॅस्टिक. वॉट एव्हर वी डू इज ऑलवेज अ प्रॉब्लेम. प्लीज वी हैव टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस. Please, please, please.
Tell us, once you collected that initial set of data back in 95, 96, how did you sort of, pull up the confidence to then go to a Unilever or client like that and say, here is the data I have collected about a market which you have not necessarily been looking at, and sort of trust me for the quality of this data and now go and do business there?
Yeah. What I have done is, as I told, I worked with Johnson & Johnson so later because it's a 100% American company, Johnson & Johnson, 100%. So I know that you should have a good office, a good lettered pad, there should be good brand, because most of the MNCs and professional companies believe in this. So I requested one of my friends, his name is Swastik Sirsikar. I asked him, can I use your office? And then I written to 200 companies of the country saying that I have this data. No answer. Again 200, no answer. Third time 200, then I have received a communication of Tata T. First communication I received from Tata T. Come and present the case. It is always the case, no? Come and present us. Then I have been to Mumbai. I have presented this. Fantastic. We'll get back to you. The English of the we will get back to you. So again 15 days I was sitting. आत्ता फोन येईल मग फोन येईल काय नाही म्हणजे बायकोला एवढं मागं लागलं नसेल एवढं कंपनीच्या मागं लागलं. Then after 45 days I received a call from Tata T. Come again and present the case to our associates. But by that time there was a good thing to me is the marketing manager of Tata T was a Marathi manus. त्यामुळे मला इंग्लिशचा विषयच नव्हता त्यावेळेला, का एक शब्द बोलता यायचं नाही. देन आय हॅव टोल्ड हिम की बाबा दिस इज द डेटा अँड देन आय हॅव प्रेझेंटेड दॅट डेटा की दिस इज द डेटा वगैरे वगैरे. ओके, थँक्यू, अगेन विल कम बॅक टू यू. After 10 days, I received a call from them. We want to buy your data. Tell us the cost. I thought that I'll get minimum 5 lakh rupees for a entire data of Maharashtra. Then I was in Mumbai, but I have not told them that I want 5 lakh rupees. Tell me how much you can pay. Typical Marathi manus, very khanda padlela. He told me we will pay you 25,000 rupees for this data. 25,000 rupees, and I have given that data for 25,000 rupees, and I have all documentation of that because I was broke. I was, as I told you, I was having daughter, wife, father, mother, responsibilities. और आप सबका ये कर सकते हो, but इसका क्या करोगे? इसका कुछ नहीं है. There is no answer to it. And I have sold that data for 25,000 rupees too. By that time, I received a call from Parle Products, no multinational. They asked me, we will buy this data for 20,000 rupees. Ajul bargain. I sold to them also, 20,000. But after that, 3 weeks, I received a call from Tata Tea saying that, come and tell us what to do with this data. And after that, no look back, friends. That day, the first work order I have taken from Tata Tea was 3,75,000 rupees to do a weight sampling in 100 villages of Maharashtra. 100 villages. And that 3,75,000 rupees is a turning point of my life. Even that 25,000 rupees from Tata Tea. And in this 96 January, I was total broke. Absolutely gone case. In August, first order of Tata Tea of 3 lakh rupees. And in September, I received a call from Procter & Gamble. Come and again present the case. And Procter & Gamble म्हणल्यावर मी एकदम हवेतच, कारण मला माहिती होतं P&G केवढी मोठी कंपनी आहे. Coincidentally, the CEO of that organization was American, but the marketing manager was a South Indian. So he was support to me. Boss, मेरे को तो इसको कुछ बता नहीं सकता मैं, इसको तेरे सफेद वाले को मैं कुछ बता नहीं सकता, पट्टे वाले का काय सांगते ना मैं. But believe me, friends, in that same year, the contract I signed with P&G was of 1 crore rupees. You see, the 96 all gone, and in September, and what the activity to sample their aerial camera in the villages, because across the world, Procter & Gamble, they never do door-to-door promotion. They think that is their thought process. Our product are the best product in the world. We will sample it, and when any consumer will use that, definitely he is going to be our consumer, and that is true. You take any segment, they have a fantastic product. It can be detergent, it can be sanitary napkin. You take any segment, they are the best. So that consistency, a little bit innovation has paid off in 1996 itself. But that 93 to 96 as an entrepreneur was a bad years. But that taught you a lot of things. गरिबी संसार कसा करायचा हे पण शिकलं पाहिजेत ना कधीतरी. We always think because in this country, entrepreneur and a businessman is like this. He'll have a air conditioned cabin, a revolving chair, beautiful secretary, and Mercedes car. That's the problem. My definition of entrepreneur is the person who is ready to work as a managing director to Pune is an entrepreneur. This is my definition. And I believe in that.
What's your vision with respect to this data about rural markets? Especially now, everybody is talking about it. Everybody wants to look at rural folks as a customer, especially after the bottom, the fortune at the bottom of the pyramid, the book came out. Even the government is talking about publishing a lot of data about rural markets. So, what do you see happening here?
No. Data is just one tool. This is my opinion. Let me tell you, friends. Rural India is changing in a big way. It is changing in a big way. You ask me any segment, the market share of rural India is more than urban India. Any segment. Humbly I am telling you, but it is 100% correct. to take any segment. So